mentioned the maintenance part of it, and it obviously it's an operating cost that you have to incur, and we also do a lot of preventative maintenance, but we're trying to be a bit more innovative around it and trying to predict the probability of failure by analyzing the incoming waves that we receive from other people going to trench on our routes. And we have some success with that, and then also we build IoT devices into our manuals to pick up intrusion or movement or water, and then send an alarm out to our knock, and we try to rectify it before we have problems. It's early stages yet, but it's something that can work. IoT is affordable, it's cheaper than labor. And I think that the next challenge for the fiber providers is fiber is now almost become a commodity. It was something very special a few years ago, and there's a lot of price pressure on our customers, and they're just passing that pressure down on us. So we need to be innovative around how we trench, how we deploy the fiber to bring that capex cost down. We need to look at the specifications. Maybe you drop your DAC specifications, you sacrifice a bit of quality for cost, and hopefully your maintenance can keep up in the future. But it is challenging. I saw an article yesterday where when we started fiber to the homes in Africa, 100 megs in 2014 it cost 6,500 rand per home. And now it's almost less than 600 rand. So you can just understand your investment remains the same. It's a sunk cost, it's there. It is a challenge.
Well, that actually raises, I mean, Jonas made the statement, you need an anchor tenant before you go out on a route. But surely an anchor tenant is only a portion of your costs, will cover a portion of the cost.
Yeah.
So therefore there must be other parameters one looks at. Well, what are the other things that you consider? Okay, we've got an anchor tenant in this particular route, and no, it will vary depending on whether you're doing the metro in Alex's case or you're doing these long regional routes in Jonas's case. I mean, what are the things, if you look at potential, what the potential is, what's the industrial section of that area doing, etc., etc.?
Yeah, when we do a feasibility on a specific route, we'll look at the potential other customers on that route, and then we take a bet. So it's probability that they will order is 80%, and then we'll start building. But you can't just bank on one anchor tenant, and you might as well just self-provide if you want to charge them a full price for the route.